We want to frame a picture of flowers that is 4 inches wide and 7 inches long. If we want the frame to be an equal width all the way around the picture, we could formulate a quadratic equation to represent the model. Let's figure out that quadratic together. This diagram shows the picture with a frame that is the same width all the way around. We have been given 10 square inches of framing material to create our frame. When creating an equation from a model, label as much of your diagram as you can. Let's start by labeling just the width and length of the picture, which is 4 by 7. The width of the frame is unknown, so we will let it be x, and we know that it's an equal width all the way around. A simplified expression for both the length and width of the framed picture could be created by combining like terms. The width is x plus 4 plus x, or 2 times x plus 4, after the x's are combined. The length is x plus 7 plus x, or 2 times x plus 7, after the x's are combined. The diagram can be updated to show the simplified width and length. The width is 2x plus 4, and the length is 2x plus 7. Let's build the equations that we'll need to show the relationship between the measurements of the framed picture and its total area. The picture is a rectangle, so its area can be found using the formula area equals length times width. The total area of the framed picture is equal to the area of the picture plus the area of the frame. The area of the picture is 7 times 4, or 28 square inches. The area of the framing material was 10 square inches. The total area of the framed picture is 28 plus 10, or 38 inches squared. Now that the total area of the framed picture has been found, we can complete our equation. In the area formula, we can replace the area with 38, the length with 2 times x plus 7, and the width with 2 times x plus 4. Now we have the quadratic equation representing the total area of the framed picture to its measurements. Solving this equation would result in possible widths of the picture frame.